Fifth standard students, your mathematics class exercise 4.4 first main. Find the sum. Sum means you have to add. A question 5 by 8 plus 3. Solution. Write the given fraction 5 by 8 plus 3. 3 means what? 3 is the numerator. Denominator will be always 1. If only 3 or 5 any number is written means it is numerator. Denominator will be 1. This you should remember. See here, denominators are 8 here and 1 is here. What will be the LCM? 8 ones are 8. Or you can see here, I have shown 8 comma 1 denominators. 8 comma 1. It's LCM. 8 ones are 8. This one as it is. 8 is the LCM. Compare as you did in exercise 4.3. Same here. 8 ones are 8. 1 is there. 1 into how much? 8? 1 8s are 8. Multiply with this. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8s are 24. 5 plus 24, 29. Divided by this denominator 8. Similarly, here also, all question, only numbers are changed here. B question 2 by 7 plus 6. Solution. Right. 2 by 7 plus 6 means 6 is the numerator, denominator is always 1. 6 by 1. Find the LCM of 7 and 1. See here, 7 ones are 7, 1 as it is. 7 is the LCM, 7. This 7 will come in the denominator. So this is the LCM. So put a line like this and write 7 as you did in 4.3. Now compare with this 7 and 7. 7 into how much is 7? 7 ones are. So 1 you have to write. Afterwards multiply with this. Next step. Plus, here 1 is there, denominator. 1 into how much this 7? 1 7s are 7. So 6 into 7. This into 7 you should write here. Afterwards, next step, you put is equal to 2 into 1 plus 6 into 7. 2 ones are how much? 2 plus 6 sevens are 42. 2 plus 42 is 44 by 7. This you should compulsory. Don't forget to write the denominator. 2 plus 42 is 44 by 7. Similarly, here also all only numbers are changed here. Understood? 13 and 1. LCM of 13 and 1 is 13. 13 into how much is 13? 13 ones are 9 into 1 plus 1 and 13 compare. 1 into how much 13? 1 13s are 13. 2 into 13. Numerator you must multiply. Next 9 ones are 9 plus 13 2s are 26 by 13. 26 plus 9 is 35 by 13, like this. Similarly, second main question is find the following differences. Differences means you must subtract. A question 9 minus 3 by 5. Solution as you did in exercise 4.3 same. 9 means 9 is the numerator, denominator will be 1. So 9 by 1 minus this 3 by 5. 1 and 5 LCM. 5 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. So 5 is the LCM. This 5 should come in the denominator. See here, put line like this 5. Compare with this 1 and 5. 1 into how much 5? 1 5s are 5. Next come here, this fraction denominator is 5. 5 into how much this 5? 5 ones are 5. Now next step is 9 into 5 minus 3 into 1. 9 5s are 45 minus 3 into 1 3. 45 minus 3 by 5. Subtract 45 minus 3 is 42 by 5. This is how you have to solve. Here also B question you see here. 5 minus 6 by 7. Solution. Only 5 means it is numerator. Denominator will be 1. That's why you should write here 5 by 1 minus this 6 by 7. 1 and 7 LCM is 7 only. Understood? 1 and 7 LCM is 7. So compare with this 1 and 7. 1 into how much 7? 1 7s are 7. So this 5 into 7 will be there minus this denominator 7 into how much 7? 7 ones are 7. So into 1 you should write with numerator. Next step is equal to 5 into 7 minus 6 into 1 by 7. 5 7s are 35 minus 6 ones are 6. 35 minus 6 is 29. So 29 by 7. This is the answer. It is called the difference. Next, third main you see. What is third main? Add the following mixed fractions. See here. In fractions you have come across proper, improper and mixed fraction. A question. These two are mixed fractions. 1 2 by 5 plus 1 3 by 4. Solution. Write this given question. Next step, what you have to do? Convert this into improper fraction as you did previous. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 5 plus 4 ones are, this multiply. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4. 5 and 4 LCM you should find. 5 and 4 are independent. So 5 4s are 20 is the LCM. This 20 should come in the denominator. Compare with this 5 and 20. 5 4s are 20. You can write here as you did. 5 4s are 20. Next this 4 and 20 compare. 4 5s are 20. Next step, what you have to do? Put is equal to, multiply this numerator. 7 into 4 plus 7 into 5. 7 4s are 28 plus 7 5s are 35 by 20. 28 plus 35 is nothing but 63. When you add these two, you will get 63 by this denominator 20. Now 63 by 28 is an improper fraction. So convert this into mixed fraction. How to convert? Divide. 63 divided by 20. See here. 63 divided by 20. 23 is a 60. 3 is the remainder. This quotient 3 is the whole number here. This 3. Quotient 3 should come in here as a whole number. Afterwards, remainder 3 by 20. This should write as 3 by 20. 3 by 20. So this is a mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. Next B question. 2 3 by 5 plus 2 4 by 7. Write the given question again. Solution. 2 3 by 5 plus 2 4 by 7. Convert it into improper fraction. How to convert? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 you should do. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 5 plus this also convert into improper. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 by 7. Now 5 and 7 are independent. 5 7s are 35 is the LCM, or you can show here like this separately to find the LCM. 5 into 7 35. 5 compare with this 5 and 35. 5 7s are 35. Next 7 and 35 compare. 7 5s are 35. So multiply 13 into 7 plus 18 into 5 is equal to 13 7s are 91 plus 18 5s are 90. 91 by 35. Don't forget this denominator. Understood? 91 plus 90 is 181 by 35. This is improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. How to convert? You just divide. 181 divided by 35. 35 5s are 175. So 6 is the remainder. This 5 quotient is a whole number. So 5 right here big. It is a whole number. 5. Remainder 6 by 35. 6 by 35. So this is the mixed fraction. How to read this? 5 6 by 35. This is how you have to subtract or add. Subtraction also coming here in mixed fraction. In fourth main you see, find the difference of mixed fractions. A 2 4 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. In third main just now you did add. Now you have to subtract. Same procedure, only here minus. 5 2s, write the given question. Now convert it into improper. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14 by 5 minus 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Understood? Is equal to, see denominators are same. LCM is the number itself, so 5. Compare with this, 5 ones are 5, here also 5 ones are 5. 14 ones are 14 minus 11 ones are 11. 14 minus 11 is 3 by 5. Similarly here also 3 4 by 7 minus 1 3 by 5. Write the given question, convert into improper. 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4 25 by 7 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8 by 5. So as it is wrote, 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4 25 by 7 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8 by 5. See, 7 and 5 LCM is, both are independent, isn't it? 7 5 is 35. 35 is the LCM, you should write in the denominator. Next, compare 7 and 35. 7 into how much 35? 7 5 is 35. Next, minus 5 and 35 compare. 5 into how much 35? 5 7 is 35. Multiply these two. 25 into 5 minus 8 into 7. 25 5 is 125 minus 8 7 is 56. 125 minus 56, how much? 69. 69 by 35. This is improper fraction. Convert it into convert it into mixed fraction. 69 by 35. See here, divide. 69 by 35. 35 ones are 35. 9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. Further you cannot divide. So this 1 is the quotient. This will be the whole number. So write here 1. Remainder 34. This divisor 34 by 35. So 34 by 35. This is a mixed fraction. Understood? This is how you have to write. Understand the solutions. Write it neatly in your maths CW. Exercise 4.5 will continue will start in the next class. So till then you revise this, write neatly in your maths CW and practice these problems.